Okay, hopefully we're streaming now. This is where we're up to, and I've just got an error. Hopefully this comes up. Um, Here we go. Now we're moving. Now we're boogieing. Okay, we're on. Right, awesome. So basically, I need to um do something. Ah, what the heck? What? What? My keyboard's just gone back to being normal again. What the hell? Okay, right, my keyboard has just decided to go from American to English, so that's great. Okay, so we're getting this error, which suggests that as ChatGPT is telling me that there is a problem with the video clip. So we're gonna have a look in the script to see if that is the case. Um, that's video. Oh. Put file name equals ggk ep1.mp4. I'll give it that. See if it has to do with this. Hopefully it knows that looks fine. Yes. Video clip object has no attribute subclip. Well, it looks like it does, buddy. What the heck? Yeah. Make sure you don't have a file in your project called moviepy.py or go to a folder named that. Restart the terminal or VS Code kernel. After fixing any name conflicts, restart your terminal or Python kernel. Oh my god. Maybe it's because there's conflicts, because I installed the packages globally, and then... Oh, that's actually a pain. I know I installed the packages somewhere. I think I installed them. Yeah. Yo, 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 yo. Okay. I'm just gonna do this. Oh my god, we're in Japanese right now. No, I don't want to do that. Go. What? Oh my god, what the hell? What the hell? This is the one thing that frustrates me about, like, Python and stuff. It's very painful. I hate everything about you. Why do I? Please can you remind me of the prompt for activating the script? Yeah. Go. Hey, we did it. Alright. And now we want to try run this code again. And then go back to the SRT file. Or is it like 人の心配してる心配じゃない What? Oh, 場合じゃないよ。人の知ってるし、人の心配してる場合じゃないよ。Oh, it's not the time to worry about other people's problems. Okay. 人の心配している Right, we'll go there. Right, come out of the Japanese keyboard and go to 0. Right, and then we get this problem. Let's have a look. I don't get it, bro. Because if we see here, we have... What? Why, I don't have the library. What? Pip, numpy. I swear that it does not have the library there. Where's it got? Rapid fuzz. Oh, that's not even there though, so. A config file. Um. What the hell is going on? Video file clip object as new attribute subclip. Video path is video path. Well, let's overwrite the video path with the exact path to the video, because I think that could maybe be the problem. If it's maybe not giving me the right, it's maybe not finding the video. I might have messed up the logic. So if we go here and we go here, bam, bam. Backslash. And then the video file's name, JJK f1.mp4. So if we just overwrite the video path like that, maybe that'll solve it. Let's see. Oh, here we go. What? Oh, I see why. Because it's tried to go into the code folder before going into the assets folder. What the hell? Alright. What have I done with the video path then? OS path dot join. Oh, I've done the OS path wrong though. Wait, base dir? Asset dir? What's the asset dir though? The base dir is the abs path. I need to go one out from this. Okay. We need the base dir to be one file folder back, not in code. Alright. Base dir equals this. Excellent. So I'm trying to resolve this now. OS path dir name file, and then go one folder back, because we've got the code folder, so I can get rid of this as well. And then you... Alright, let's try this, run this again. go. Get out of here. Alright, so we go again. Hito. And then I guess every time I'm writing this, I'm kind of remembering it. Hito no shimpai. Shite. What? Oh my god, what is going on? What the hell? Well, I think I crashed it again. No such file or directory. Alright, hold on. If it doesn't run, print no closed matches found. If no matches, run main again. Yeah, that seems fine. 人の心配してる場合じゃないよ。What? What are you on about, lad? What the flip? I hate everything about you. Why do I? Oh no, I see why now. I see why. If we go back. Yeah, what the hell? That is there, and then we go dot dot, we go back, and then we go to the assets folder. Oh, okay, so we need to join to the clips. Wait, no, we don't. Assets. Wait, what? Oh, assets. Ah! Alright, fine. Fine. You beat me there. Yeah, look, this goes to assets. And then... I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I went to code for the video path. The video path should be asset, and then the file name MP4, not go to code. Oh, but it's gone to code then backed out. So it's not that being the problem. Alright, let's run this again. Silly, silly, silly. It's exciting to know this works though. That's kind of cool. Alright, video clip object has no attribute. This is what we had before, right? I have no clue what that means. Oh. What does this mean? It means that video clip. Alright, I need to go back to ChatGPT. I've not a clue what to do here. Alright. Can we go back to this error? Please. Oh. Okay, here we go. Right. This error means that your video variable is not actually an object, even though it should be. Make sure you don't have a file named movie.py in your project. I do not, bro. I do not. Bro. Clip 0. No, output bar. Oh, video path is equal to that. So we're getting the right video, JJK episode 1.mp4, and we're getting the video. Hold on. Alright, off the phone. Ah! Okay, right. What's going on? I'm not a clue. I hate these errors, man. This is the worst thing about coding. You gotta deal with, like, these stupid incompatibilities. Annoying as hell. Attribute error, video as no attribute subclip. So that suggests I don't have the right module in or something. I don't know what that means. There's nothing called that. Add a print before dot subclip. If it prints something like movie video, then subclip should exist. Something else is wrong. That's our culprit. Alright. Oh, it should print a class. Oh, okay. Yeah, I remember. We can do some print statement debugging. Alright, let's go here. Bam. Whoa. What? I did not know you could do that. That's sick. Alright. Video object at there. That is actually so cool. I didn't realize you could do that. Give me this, man. Yo. Didn't appreciate that. Alright. That's, yeah. It's a proper video clip object, so the error means a version issue. Ah! Fuck! Sorry, I didn't mean to swear. Ah! Check your movie PY. Oh my god. Check your movie PY version. I'm a bad streamer, man. I can't be swearing like this. Oh my god! Oh, I actually can't be streaming right now. Pip, show movie pie. You see something like this. Alright. Get out of here. I got 2.2.1. Whoa. 1.03 is safer. Alright, let's go back to an older version then of the script. So let's go chdir into scripts. Oh no, into venv. And then chdir into scripts. And let's run the uninstall on MoviePie. And then go back to a safer version of MoviePie. Yo, what the? I did not ask for that. Bam. There we go. Alright, so great. So we're getting the older version of MoviePie, which is really good. Okay, great. And there's a pip install as well. Pip update. We're not gonna do that right now. Alright, let's try run this again with a more stable version of the script. Alright, cool. Let's go. Uh 人の心配している Let's do that. Here we go. And we'll go bam. No. Is that good or bad? I don't know. Debug class. What? No! At least you went back to a more stable version as well. What are you saying, bro? Do, 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 do. Yeah, let's go into a new script. Like, let's go into a new file in here, and we'll test that the library is working normally. What the heck is going on? Okay, then let's make a new file. Alright, this is gonna be good though. It's gonna be worth it. Definitely worth it. Alright, let's try this. And let's try debug this file. Oh. Alright, let's get this MP4 and we'll do this then. Doop doop doop. Oh. I've already told me everybody's like EJ Spinner not shit mama. Alright, let's go here and then let's copy that. Now we want to get the rename that in. I don't know why it's gone like that. I think it should be the other way around with a backslash personally. So like this. Yeah, backslash. Wait, what? How did I know that? That's creepy. That's really creepy. What do you mean, bro? Well, I can't just abandon this because it's quite a fundamental function. That is the problem. Whoa. 안녕하세요. Yeah. So we're still getting an attribute error for the movie clip function, which is weird. Okay, let's try this. Video. Oh, subclipped. This is what I got actually. Maybe we're just using. Oh. Okay. Oh. Ah! Oh my god! No way! What the heck? Alright, that's awesome. Alright guys, I think we did it. Alright, so well I didn't really do it. ChatGPT did it, but you know what I mean. Alright, so if we go to subclipped. Alright, there we go. Hey! Is this a function? Is this actually a function because it's not lighting up? Kilibansuyo. Oh, it's doing a dots though. I don't know why that's not lighting up. Write video file any. I'm not entirely sure why that's not showing up. But we can try this again. Enter the syntax warning invalid escape sequence video path. Whatever. Right, okay. Right, go. Go. Ooh. Oh my god. No way. Okay, so now we should have clipped. Hey! Yo! It works! That's so cool. Yo! That is gnarly. Alright, okay, so we've been able to clip it. That's so cool. Alright. Yo! Okay. Oh, that's awesome. Alright, so now we can go back to the code. There's quite a lot of padding though. What is the purpose of the padding though? Like, well, sync up FFP and MP4. Do we want that though? Oh. Alright, I guess we can. I'm gonna do a little bit less padding. I'm gonna do 0.5 seconds for the padding. Actually, no. We'll keep it like that. It's good for the flashcard. Alright, so the next function will be, if we go back to the PowerPoint that we made before. That is awesome. I like it. So we want to take the function, and before we clip the episode, we want to also abstract that, like, from the user. So we want to be able to have them type in the video path, and the folder will appear. Okay. Oh my god, Kurama. What? Okay. Alright, so what we're gonna do next is I want a place where the person can query with OpenAI about the content of that, like, episode. So I need to create a new function for talking with OpenAI. So we'll go back here and we'll kind of figure out how to do that. Next I would like to talk to OpenAI. I am wondering if I should make a new Python file. Yeah, let's just make a new Python file and let's call it OpenAI queries. So we can delete this. Alright. And then here we can define a new function. Let's call that user query. Let's use camel case. Alright. So we've got we're going to write a function where the person will query with OpenAI. So let's kind of design that in tandem with OpenAI. About the from about the text in that subtitles. To talk to Open AI about the text in the subtitles. So we need to design a chat where the user and the AI can go back and forth, and once the person says I am satisfied, kind of like Baymax, then the person will be able to create a flashcard. Then ChatGPT will finish talking to the person. For the future, I also want functionality for the contents of the chat to be logged. Maybe write to a text file. Yeah, maybe you could write that to a text file or something like that. I've not just thought about the platform really. The contents of the chat to be logged, and then we can create flashcards later with the contents of the chat in mind. Cool. Alright. I'm satisfied. Yes. Handles a back and forth chat with OpenAI about the given subtitle sentence. Ah, what? Yo, that's crazy. Alright, let's get back to it. So, right, let's see what we're saying. So, handle a back and forth chat between the person and the user. Sit and prompt. Okay. Whoa. Alright, let's do some version control because this might get out of hand. If I'm just, not thinking about it loads. So, we can copy this, paste it here, script copy. We can make a new folder, and we're going to call this V1. And they're going to move that into there. And, I made the wrong one. Oh no, okay. Right, then we've got script and OpenAI here. Alright, I'm gonna put these in here anyway. So let's take this from Mr. GPT. Right, and then we're gonna take these inputs and we're gonna put them into the script folder. So now we're gonna have to let's go video clipping. There we go. Right, so we got those signposted, so we can get rid of these. And now we have a function. I'm satisfied. Logdir equals ospath.join. Alright, sorry. Logdir equals log directory missing. I need the toilet, BRB. BRB. Right, we're back. Right, we're back. Those noises from WhatsApp are worrying me. Yes, am I getting important messages right now? No. I am not. They are from a group chat. And they did not mention. Right, cool. Oh, yeah, I need to do that. I still forgot about that. Right, we'll do that after this. Probably. Alright, so we've got OpenAI. And we're going to create log directory if the file math is missing. So there should be a folder called chat logs. Okay, let's go and make a new folder in here. Let's call it. Why is it going into the clips folder? What the heck? Just do it here. New folder. Why is it in there? New folder. Here we go. Chat logs. There we go. Got a new folder. Go to OpenAI. I don't know what the point of that is, but I assume it's making it if it's missing. Role system. You're a friendly language tutor like Baymax. Help you understand and practice the given Japanese line. The sentence to discuss is sentence. Don't chat about. Type I am satisfied to end the conversation. Oh. Oh, I see. Log file setup. Timestamp equals date time dot now. So it takes the time and date of it. Safe sentence is join. C in sentence C dot is alnum. What the hell is that? I need to find out what that does. Cleans up the subtitle sentence so you use to safety using a file name. Uh, uh, that's pretty cool. Removes any leading and trailing spaces. Boku wa guru da. Okay, so it just makes sure it's a suitable format. Oh, it's trying to make a file name out of it. I see, I see. I was like, oh, because you're gonna have the sentence that's the file name's made out of. Oh, okay. Alright, so log path equals logdir timestamp. So it makes a new chat text out of that. Alright, so open path as log file. Log file that write chat about this person. User input equals what? Oh, you. If user input lower, I am satisfied, end session, quit, exit, print, I'm glad you're satisfied, see you next time. Log file that write session ended, break. Messages that append, role, user input, response, it makes completion. AI reply equals response dot traces 0 dot message content. Messages that append, log file that write. You. Why would you want to write though? While true. Log file that write. Isn't that gonna write the content? Isn't write going to overwrite the file though? What the heck? Oh, yeah, that's good. Okay. Alright, but so we're gonna write the AI chat. We're gonna choose the first choice response, and then we're gonna make a reply to the user. Okay. So where do we put the API key in? Maybe I've like not read the full like thing that it's gave me. We're gonna put in. We're gonna do an environment variables. Right. At the top of your Python file. No, down the OpenAI key model. Wait, what? I'm confused here because this has not included any API key. Wait, what? No way. Oh, response dot choice is 0. Yeah, but you don't ever send. What? Wait, so is that where you send in the API key? Oh my gosh. That's weird. What? What? That's sick. I didn't realize you could do that. So in the code, does it have anywhere OpenAI dots chat completion? Okay. Okay. Alright, that. Do. So I do wonder if it wants it on the same level in your project group. It's the same level. Alright, okay. And we say open AI key. That. And then we will run this. Yeah, we can do it. Alright, so we can send the OpenAI key there. We've got the dot, they've got the environment variables there. And then we are sending everything properly. I just want to query this actually. Okay. This. Let's show what the SRT actually looks like. Oh my god, I need to brush my teeth, please. Do that soon. 25 minutes under. Let's say we want what am I trying to get right now? I can't remember. Oh yeah, we're trying to get to the asset folder. Maybe it's the SRT. Oh right, okay, it's fine. It's noted normally. Alright, so that's just gonna remove any of the fluff to make a nice file name. Alright, cool. So I just need to import that and then see that that works. Cool. Alright, so the other thing. Alright, let's just see if this works, right? We can import it in and then we can run it at some point in the code. So let's figure out where that's gonna be. So from OpenAI UI import start chat. From OpenAI. Is that okay? From OpenAI. I'll just rename this because I think that could get a bit weird. Like that. OpenAI PY. I don't want to like mix it up. Oh no, it's got insert. Import that. Oh, that's just a weird file name now. What the heck? Let me put Python AI. From Python AI, import start chat. We're gonna do that. Alright, so then we're gonna do. So I wonder where this could go. Would this go in the main? So it'd clip the folder. So it's saved to the output path. And then after this, we can query the AI. So we can do Python AI dot start chat, and then inside of there we can put the sentence and the model. Oh, it's already pre-done that, so we just need to send the sentence to there, and it'd be the oh. I guess it'd be text, right? Like that's the text. Yeah, I think it'd be that. So I wonder why that's not working. Python AI. Dot start chat. Hmm. 6 problems in this file. Oh, it's because it's not liking that. Oh crikey, I'm not actually having this one. If I have the Python AI file to store all of the AI stuff, would I still do the imports at the top of the Python file, even though I am importing them in the main file, and then importing the secondary Python file in? Maybe. Okay. That's gonna make that file work. Weird. Alright, so what's it say? Even the imported API, because that's where it's actually. Oh, it's used there. Oh, okay. So we're importing that, but everything should be in there. So I don't actually need this here. Okay. I didn't realize that. That's pretty cool. Right, so now this just needs OpenAI, and I can get rid of these. We can keep that, and I can get rid of that's OpenAI. Wait, what? Date time. Import date time. Let's get that. Right, okay, I guess they're gonna be used there, so we don't need them. But we can definitely keep this bit. And then we're gonna go ahead and save both these files. I've not shared this window in ages. Been popping off. And let's go. And what we can do is, sorry, uh, we can import OpenAI. Go to the terminal. What? What's going on right now? Are we still running the code? I need to go back to PowerShell. Alright, so if we go to venue, and then we do pip install. Hopefully it should pip install here actually. So we're gonna need OpenAI. Yes. And then hopefully that'll make it available here. Oh yeah, because we put it in the scripts folder. So it should have worked here now. Which is weird, but it doesn't. Because this is, yeah. What? Are we seriously gonna have to do this and force it on the other Python? There's another training project. Activate version. Python. Uh, no. Oh my god, please don't. What is package name? No, 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 don't do that, don't do that. Alright. I swear I did it on python.exe now. What does -n mean? Does this sound like the current Python that we're using? Oh, use the same and you run the using the same interpreter that this Python command refers to. You might even call a different version of Python's pip, your global Python pip, or you use the pip for the Python interpreter. Okay. Alright, that's cool. Maybe this will work. Maybe? Hopefully. Yay! Wait, what? And I put that. Yeah. All right. Okay. Right now I've got OpenAI installed here. We've forced it to go into our Python interpreter that we use for this. So I don't know what the problem is in this code now. Python AI is not defined. I would have thought that's how we target this code. Wait, what? Have I called that AL? AI. What the heck? So when I come to and then if I show ChatGPT my import here, what's the problem with that? Yeah. Wait, what? Oh yeah, 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 yeah. What does that even mean? Is it because I haven't saved this or something? Oh. Okay. Here we go. Right, it's working now. I just need to target the folder. Alright, so what we can do now is we can put that environment variable in, and we can have a look about what's popping with it. What the hell? Alright, so basically that's gonna run our person within the terminal, and we're gonna start chatting with them. So let's test this out. Let's test this out, and then we'll probably leave it there. So I'm gonna need to turn this off so I can do my dot environment variable. I also need to make a new OpenAI thingy. Let's have a look at that. Need to make a new project in OpenAI. There you go. Right, I need to make a new one. Oh wait, why am I in this one? I'll just make a new OpenAI account with my actual email. Okay, let's make an account. Currently making an account for OpenAI. Yo, how dare you? That's very rude. What? Oh, I'm a silly Billy. I definitely already have this installed. Yeah, I already have an OpenAI account with that email. Okay, pricing. Start building. Organization name is going to be called Hobbies. Cool. I'll invite my team later. I don't have a team. Generate my API key. Wow. and then let's put that in the environment variables, which are never to open on stream. Da, da, da. Here we go. Save that. 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 Save my environment variables. Close that folder. So it gets ended. Alright, and then we can go to let's get some credit. Right, let's get my I already know my code actually. Yeah. Look at that $1 tax. 500,000 output tokens. That is a lot. Alright, cool. So we should have some tokens to start using now. Let's go back. And now we can turn this back on. And we can start testing it. So let's have a look again. Let's use a different line.
イタドリユージ君の取得試験が
Kimino Okushite. Alright, let's go to the SRT file and find that line. Alright, let's go here. Let's go Kimino. Oh, we're going kind of far. Kimino Okushite. Let's just go for this one. This is what I wouldn't do. I'd try and listen along for it, but I'm just trying to test it right now, so I'm not crazy bothered about it. Let's run a debug. Alright, let's pretend that didn't happen. What? No module name code. I noticed the thought import -AI. Again. Please, 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 please. Aww. Oh, here we go. Alright. What? That is not what I wrote. I'll just put Kimino and then hopefully it comes up with something. Kimino Oshushite. Right, bam. So we're gonna create a video file. Oh my god! I am satisfied. Oh my god, we're typing with ChatGPT, what the heck? Okay. Please, can you I'm excited. Please can you tell me what you mean? No. What is no? Aww. What? This is no longer supported. Oh, OpenAI migrate. You can pin your installation to the old version. Alright, let's see. Let's ask AI what the best thing to do is. Okay, long-term maintainability. Migrate to the new OpenAI. Oh, client.chat.completions.create. Oh, you just use a different response. Why does it seem like everything's outdated? It's weird. Hopefully that should fix it. We save this file. And then we terminate this. Or you can just start a new. Alright, here we go. Let's go down. Fab. Fab. Right. Right. Come on. So, what does this? Oh. Ah! What the hell? Module OpenAI has no attribute client. What the hell, ChatGPT? How dare you? Oh. Client equals OpenAI, API key equals OS. Oh, so we give ChatGPT a client. Okay. What the hell? I didn't give it the client function. So it gives. Okay, let me see. What is the client? What? From OpenAI, import OpenAI. Alright then. Alright, cool. And then we give it a client. What does it mean to provide the client? So I'm trying to get a bit of background into like how things are working. You usually give it an OpenAI key. It was done for a global object, OpenAI object. You specifically create a client object, then you use this to create a completion for the client. So is the API key configuration and session. Okay. Explicitly create a client object to hold keys, etc. Right, we can do that, and then we can try to save this, and we can wait. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's the problem? Oh. We can use end this. We can have a look at this. Doesn't like this. Yeah. Should it not be capital OpenAI? Uh. Oh. So you just create. Oh, so you just create a chat completion on the client object rather than the OpenAI object. Okay. awesome. So we can save that again. Hopefully this works. Bro, I mean, why is this doing this right now? What's the problem with the code? Oh. Wait, what? Get out of here. What the heck? They tried to simplify my script. We had a lot more to do. I accidentally pasted in the whole of the section that it suggested to me. But hopefully this will work better. There we go. Camino. Bam. So we get a clip. We say, yes, it's that one. We create the video file from the clip. Bosh. And you say, oh, okay, what does your mean in the sentence? So, oh, please, please, please. What? Chat completion object is not subscriptable. What the hell do you mean, bro? AI reply. So I guess we're gonna have to make it subscriptable by some means. Let's see what Mr. ChatGPT thinks about this. Alright, here we go. Yep. Chat completion is not subscriptable. New style. Oh my god. Oh, it's become a JSON object rather than a dictionary. Oh, sorry, not even that. It's the fact that we're using objects now, which is reiterated in what we did before. Okay. Right, cool. So that should fix it because we're going to target the attribute of the object instead of do that. Alright, let's have a look then. Let's try this again. Alright. It'd be good if there was like a Romanji input as well, that'd be quite cool. What does not? If there's an error after this, I might have to like actually look at it a bit deeper. Like I'm just going, oh yeah, fresh through that, see if it works. Oh my god! Oh my god, golly, what's going on here? Right, Kimi means you as informal. Your secret death penalty, which indicates that it belongs to you. Hikoke shike, secret death penalty. Ga is a subject marker. Oh my god, this is pretty cool. Kette shita. So, kimi no hikoku shike ga kette shita. Kimi no Kimi no hitokushite ga kette shita. Your secret death penalty. OMG. Let's see what it says about it. Okay, let's say now, what about the kanji that make up Ikoku? Well, secret or hidden. conveys the idea of something that should not be revealed or is confidential. Toku means conceal or hide, so secret concealment. Wow. And then can we talk about the radicals in Toku? Okay. Oh my god. The radical for this kanji is Nimben, which is a variation of Hito. That's a person. So people looks like Hakogaime. Nah, that's not right. I think I'm gonna need to use a I'm gonna need to start using the kanji library for that. Kanji room. To actually like approximately get that right, I think I'm gonna have to use that library. So that's fine. Alright, okay, let's say now to the AI, let's say our conversation has ended. I'm satisfied. Oh my god. What? Look at that, that's so cool. So now I've got the whole script of, like, actually the chat log between the AI and me. I love that so much. And out of interest, how many tokens did that use? I actually love OpenAI, it's so good. Alright. It can't have used much, like, that was nothing. Now, we've not even scratched the surface, so that's gonna last a lot of prompts, really, because we're just prompting back and forth with the AI. So let's clear the terminal. Let's clear that. And let's make sure we save a version of both of these. Let's make a new folder called P2. And let's copy and paste these into V2. Alright, so now I've got the folders we're working, the code we're working with, sorry. And we've got the object approach of OpenAI sorted. And then we've got the Python AI, we've got the version control, and that was pretty good. So I'll probably leave it there. I've got some other stuff to do. Actually, I might make the goals for next time so we can just jump into it. Like, I might come back later after work because it's actually really fun. So if we can share this screen, actually. Let's go here. Cool. Right, we can come here. Type the test function, create a simple. Oh, get the AI to create a flashcard that has been created. Alright, so I need to do some brainstorming really about what that's gonna involve. Okay. I like to track it, so let's just do like a cool tick mark. see. There you go. And then we can create the next one, which should be this one. Create the AI to generate a flashcard out of the text file that has been created. I'm gonna need to brainstorm that. I'll give my time to think about what I want the flashcard to be, because I'd realistically want it to make like flashcards plural, and also I have to make the Anki Connect as well. Okay, and I also want to link the video up, see if I can get a video into there. I really want to keep going with it. But I'd rather leave something fun to do. Alright, I'm just gonna leave it there. Let's not go overboard. Alright, anyway, thank you for anyone who